Morning guys, I wanted to show you a video, a brief little demo for your paper beads, just to further explain it and show you what I'm working with too. I, just like you, didn't necessarily take home a bunch of materials, so luckily in the mail I got a catalog, and if you actually flip through it and you look at the pages, each one is kind of color coordinated, so that if you wanted to go with specific colors and a specific color scheme, catalogs aren't a bad way to go. But you can also use newspapers, you can use, if you have to, paper towels, you can use any kind of paper that you have laying around. If you wanted to do something like paint paper first, if you have paint, you can do that if you're going for specific colors. But I made some beads the other day, and I did it without planning it out, and I didn't measure it, and they turned out okay. If you notice, they're all different sizes and all different shapes, so you can wing it if you really want to, but they're just not going to turn out as great as you would if you actually did take the time to prepare them. So I'm going to push them out of the side. I chose this color. I think I want to go with the browns and the grays to offset the bluish ones that I made. So what I did to make it easier on myself is you might not be able to rip it out because it might tear up your page. So I'd cut it out. And then I also took a ruler and I made a mark every inch and then every ½ inch, so I could have two different size beads. And I did that on the top and the bottom. Can't really see my pencil lines, but they're there. Once I did that, I made a mark in the middle, because what you want is a diagonal line so your bead ends up being tapered as you roll it together. You can do it in just a rectangle, but you're gonna end up with just like a cylinder, which I don't even have any here, a cylinder type bead, which is fine if that's what you wanna do. But if you want it more of an angle, just make sure that you're going from kind of like a triangle, from thicker on the bottom to thinner on top, and I'll show you what those look like when I'm done.